Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I thought I would bring you some news that I've collected over the last 24 hours and a small haul. So I'll start with the news, and if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're a comer backer, please like and comment. It really helps the channel out. So we're going to start out with the Potato Heads administration has verified that we have boots on the ground in the country of the U. They are there for reasons of inspections of our weapon caches in efforts to track the billions of dollars that we've sent there. So we'll see how that goes. Railroad negotiations have stalled over the lack of paid sick leave. So if you know about the diesel and all of that, we've been down the diesel road before, and that was a nothing burger. And people are counting down how many days we have left. That's actually, if we run out, then we have 25 days left. So that hasn't been touched. I do know there's issues on the East Coast, but why exactly to pinpoint that, is there are various theories, shall we say. So in my opinion, all of this stuff happening is all connected. It's like connecting the dots to everything. One thing leads to the next, and it comes full circle until it's just a complete and utter disaster. So everything's connected to the problems we're seeing now, which leads to, I'm sure you all are aware of, food shortages and inflation risks rise after the country of the R has withdrawn from the Black Sea export deal. So as you've probably already noticed, food costs have gone up exponentially lately. So, all of this stuff that I purchased has gone up. Nothing costs the same anymore. So, or it doesn't cost what it did when I purchased it, with the exception of maybe the Maxwell House, but I won't even promise that, and maybe the Salsa Verde. So, we'll get started. These were in my Amazon subscribe and save. So the subscribe and save prices are not the same as the one-time purchase price. These were $6 and change. I got the smoked almonds and the salted cashews, and they have all gone up. I think these are $7 or $8 now for the small bags. These are the small bags. These are 1 pound bags. I got this cold brew tea from Target, and it was just a couple of dollars. I got these motion sensor LED lights. These go underneath your cabinets or wherever you want them to go, but they are battery operated. They have 10 LEDs, so you can just stick them anywhere you want, and it's a pack of 4. And I'm going to start hooking up or placing my lighting that I've bought over the years and start using it to save on our bills. So before I do that, I'll pull it all out and show you some of the items that I have purchased for lighting. This is from Walmart, I believe. This was subscribe and save. And it was just under $3, but it doesn't cost that anymore either. It's not my favorite thing, but I can turn this into a sandwich spread that's pretty tasty. I got 2 packets of the ranch dip and salad dressing mix from Happy Belly. Thought I'd try it. I have the Hidden Valley Ranch, but this was 88 cents a package, which is much cheaper than the Hidden Valley Ranch. These quart freezer bags were also part of my subscribe and save. These are the Amazon Basics, and I paid $8.16 for these, and I think they are now up to $11, but that's subscribe and save, so I don't know what the one-time purchase price is. I got these from Target. I don't know, that label was put on wonky. They're all a little wonky. And they were $1 a can for the salsa verde, and I'm going to use those in a recipe. This freeze-dried coffee was part of my subscribe and save, and it was $4 and change on Amazon. I got this Krusty's home-style cornbread. That's for recipes where you don't want a sweet cornbread and such, like stuffing and things. And I got it from Winco for $6.72, I believe. This is a large, and you can't even see it. It's heavy. Well, to be maneuvering this way, it's heavy. This is the Lodge cast iron reversible griddle. It was on sale at Walmart for $12, so I got it, and it's pre-seasoned, but I will still season it myself. I didn't get this. My husband found these russet potatoes at Cash Saver. I have no idea what he paid for them, and it's a 10-pound bag. We haven't been able to find any. Those will be going in the canner. These pretzel sticks were $2 and change on, I think it was $2.48. And the same with the thin wheat crackers. They're like wheat thins on subscribe and save, and I will turn these into some snacks over the holidays, so you know nobody feels deprived of having chips and stuff. I got a can of roast beef hash from Walmart. This was $2.98 because I think the 1-pound cans are $1 more. I've never seen the roast beef hash in a 1-pound can like the corned beef hash. And then I got this white chicken chili with beans, and it was $2 and change, I believe, as well. I got this wildflower honey from Amazon, subscribe and save, and it was $7.87, I believe. It has gone way up. It used to be $4. I got this nighttime cold and flu cough syrup, cherry flavor, for $3.52 on subscribe and save. I don't know how much it is now. I think it's $4 something. And then I bought 3 bags of navy beans. The navy beans and the Great Northern beans seem to be hard to find, and I want to use these. If I can't get the navy bean or Great Northern, use these in a canning recipe with chicken. I'm going to do a chicken verde. So I got 3 bags of these for, they were just over $1, I think $1.28 a bag, and I got these at Target. And then I got this vegetable oil on subscribe and save. Now, it started out at 11 something, and then by the time my subscribe and save came up, it was $7.62. So I don't know what it costs now. So that is my haul, and I will put links down below to the new stories and where I got them. And I can attest to the fact to the B-52s and stuff, because I don't know if you've heard it in some of my videos, but we have the B-1 bombers and stuff have been flying around a lot around my house from the base. So, and they've been working on the engines, and it gets very loud over here. So anyway, so far tonight's been relatively quiet. So I thought I'd do this video real fast, get it out to you before the night was over. Put this stuff away. I've already broke down my boxes, so I'll put them in the recycle. And my bags I have in my bag holder from the grocery stores. And yeah, I will see you all soon. You take care, you stay safe, you stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.